Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide how to fix and troubleshoot the issue your PC or laptop is automatically shutting down. So there could be multiple reasons behind this error. So first of all, there could be the hardware issue as well as the software issue. So we will go with the software issue first. Sometime what happens that some settings on the Windows 11 or 10 can trigger the Windows to shut it down due to some misconfiguration on the system. So let's check the setting first. Simply open the control panel first of all, and once you open the control panel, you need to look for here large icons. If category is selected here, select the large icons, and once you select the large icon, look for the power option. And once you look for power option, choose your power plan. And once you choose your power plan, look for change advanced power settings. And from here guys, expand the hard disk and set it to never. If any like 30 is selected here, 20 is selected, just decrease it to never like this. And another setting we need to look for PCI Express setting. This is related to the link power state. Look for setting here and you need to turn it off. Once you turn it off, plug in and plug. Just click on apply, go to settings and turn off display. Also select this to never. Once you apply this setting, just close this, and also you need to look for this option again. Let me go back once, choose this option, and once you choose this option, if you are able to see the startup option here, startup recommended, just click that option and untick that option startup. And once you click that option, apply OK and save the setting. Now setting number 2 is simply open the run command with the search or Windows plus R, and on the search you need to type here sysdm.cpl, press OK key or enter key. Now you need to go to the advanced, then you need to go to startup and recovery, then click on setting, and you can see the option of automatically restart. Just untick this option, then click on OK, and once you click on OK again, and see if that fixes the issue or not. Sometimes what happens that this trigger automatically the restart to prevent some heatness or some other issues on Windows. So you can untick that option, and once you untick that option, check if that is working for you or not. If that is still not working for you guys, what you can do is you can open the event viewer and run it as administrator, and basically you need to look for why the system has been shut down after applying these methods as well. Go to Windows logs, double click on that and go to system here. Just wait for the events to load here. Once you load this event, go to filter option here and look for first filter with the critical one and check by one why the system has been shut down. If you see this kind of error, like no information is showing up here, only showing the unexpected and system has been crashed and stop responding. So that means that sometime what happens that if your system is out of memory or system utilization is high on your system, so there could be the issue system is shutting down automatically, or maybe the system is overheating. So make sure you are running your system or laptop in in the table so that it cannot be heat and it has a proper ventilation. So once you have checked these settings, your window should not automatically restart. If you are unable to fix that issue still, guys, let me try with the command prompt here, and we can hit the command to fix this issue. Hit the command sfc space / scan now. And once you hit this command, you need to reboot your Windows. And one another command you need to type for that is dism command. Dism command. So this is the command, guys. It's showing up here. You can simply copy and paste this. After the sfc command is completed, what these command will do is these command will repair your Windows image and system file. Just you need to paste this command from here, copy it simply, and simply paste it here like this and press the enter key. Once both command are completed successfully, restart. You have to restart your Windows and check if this issue is related to Windows corruption or the image corruption. It will surely fix your issue. If nothing works for you guys, what happens sometimes the driver can trigger your Windows to restart automatically, outdated driver. So open your system information, and look for your system model number even or your motherboard model number. So I'm using a virtual machine, but steps will be same. So let's say you are using the Dell laptop or system, Dell drivers. Search here if you are using the Lenovo drivers, or even any other laptop or system you are using. Just search and go to first link. Only 2 keywords you need to hit here. Now you need to enter your serial number here. So serial number, example HP drivers. I can show you. You can see here the location of this is the laptop serial number, and if I go back once and show the desktop, it should be showing up. You can see here desktop serial number is showing up like this. You need to enter here and then you need to search it, and let me go with this option just to show you. Now first driver you need to install is BIOS driver. Go for this option, specific driver, then search here BIOS, or even you can look for these area like a scroll. You can scroll down like this and look for BIOS option. So I'm looking for this option like this, and you can see here, just select it, just click on download, and once you download this is very powerful BIOS driver. Just you need to run it, plug in your laptop with the charger, and your system is going to update the BIOS driver for you, and after that your issue will be fixed. So I'm pretty sure, guys, if you apply these settings, your issue should fix. If nothing works for you before changing the hardware, you can reset your PC, and you can also try to reinstall the fresh window on your system. So these are the steps to fix the PC or laptop is automatically shutting down, guys. I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching how to fix tech.